Let's fix that elbow tendonitis. You can just use a band and a stick and completely change what you're feeling at your elbow in under 1 minute. Here's what you're gonna do. Place that band just above the elbow, and I'm gonna use the stick just on the other side of my forearm. What I'm doing is I am keeping the stick in the ground. What I feel is the band pulling my forearm towards the rogue rack, and I'm using the stick to not let my forearm move. I'm getting a big stretch in my elbow while I'm doing this. This is a mobilization with movement. This is how you get rid of elbow pain from tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and tricep tendonitis. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through movement, bending and stretching at the elbow, flex and extend. You can even add pronation and supination to that while you're doing this. Play around with the angle that you're keeping your body at, so that way you can play around with the pull of the band. You're gonna perform about 10 to 15 reps of this, and then you can switch sides. The other thing you can do is you can also stretch in the other direction. So if I just simply move this band to my left arm, keep it below my forearm. Now I'm gonna let the band on the outside of my forearm and pull it towards the rack. I'm gonna use this stick just to steady myself and to brace my forearm. I'm gonna bend and straighten at my elbow. Again, depending on if you have pain on the inside or outside of your elbow, you might feel more benefit going in one direction or the other. If you want to get more out of this mobilization, you can add a little bit of weight to it. I have a 5-pound weight in my hand. I'm going to set this up the same exact way. Stick holding my upper arm, the band pulling my forearm towards this rogue rack. And now with a 5-pound weight, I'm going to add a little bit of extra resistance into the movement, bending and extending from my elbow. You're going to again perform about 10 to 15 reps of this. Do it on each side. What you should see after 2 to 3 sets is you should have a reduction of pain at your elbow. This simple mobilization can completely change what you're feeling in just 1 week, spending just 5 minutes a day going through this exercise.